How to make round edge Instagram story border in Android. So if you want to make round edge Instagram story border in your Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having an internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram, make sure that you've logged in. Now after logging in, you need to just go with a reel. For example, I'll just simply go with a reel, go with share, tap on add to story, and it will have this kind of interface, right? So if you want the round edges, then as you can see that I'm using my Android and I have round edges. If you tap on it, you will have the full screen, and if you tap on it again, you will have the short screen and you will have the round edges. Or if you don't have the round edges option, then what you can do is you can just simply go and download any templates that has round edges. So you need to just go with any search that you're comfortable with, and you need to download an image which is which has round edges. And after that, you can go with the stickers, which is on the top right, and under the stickers you can tap on photo and select that template that you've downloaded. And after adding that template, you can adjust the video and you will have the round edges. So that's how you can make round edges on your Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.